Hello from Slovenia again. I'm in that experiment mode still, that I experiment with different pouring mediums for bloom blowout or bloom technique, and this will be my pillow, my base. It's titanium white, that it's kind of a student grade, cheaper one than Amsterdam and other paints, mixed with Floetrol to kind of thick consistency. And my colors for the bloom are mixed with Floetrol and Josonia varnish. 2:1 is ratio, and then I mixed my colors in, and this is Quinacridone Gold by Holbein, and I have Iridescent Gold by Pebeo. I have Amsterdam Azo Yellow Medium and Amsterdam Red Violet, and I have cell activators white and turquoise green, and those are mixed with Ambre Art cell activator. It's a French product that they will unfortunately discontinue too. So yeah, lately fluid art is not as, I will say, hot topic anymore. A lot of people did those type of art in COVID times and starts to love it, or how can I say, but lately there is not as much interest anymore in this type of art, so probably this should have do something with that too. I don't know the reasons. I hope that I have enough paint on my canvas. This technique is so different than my normal flowers or split cup pours, or I don't know, straight pours. It's just different. So every year comes the day where I want to play with the bloom technique, because I think that I don't fully understand it or execute it the way that I would really love. So, and without practice you can't do that, so I have to practice and take you along with me. Probably not the most popular thing either lately, because online everything has to turn out perfect right away. That's how you can sell your stuff to other people, but it's not like that. Sorry, I have these rambling thoughts lately, but that's reality too. If you don't like me for that I just sometimes talk about things that bother me or I think that are not okay, it's fine too. Now to the cell activator, white one. Oh, and I will use a hair dryer to blow this out. And turquoise green. And here is another thing. I always think that maybe I used too much of cell activator or too little. It's just a learning process. So here becomes a problem because I kind of don't have enough of the cell activator at first, and then I kind of have too much staying in the middle and not, you know, so I will try to fix that, to blow this over. Let's try something that I did before. I will pour just Floetrol for my pillow, and because it will dry clear, I will see some of the bottom pour too, so, but that's okay. I want that to have. Don't want to add too much. Okay. I will leave this to dry because I don't know, just mess it up.